I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. So I am at Angie's shop. She's doing some hair. I'm not here for any particular reason other than I'm off work, but it is 10:30, and I'm eating some of my meat stuff. My sister comes to town at around between 1 and 2, and so I've packed my lunches out in the car. And I'm going to hang out here for a little while, and then I'll go to Mom's. But I'm eating this. Listen, always enabling myself. I'm eating this because I'm not going to be at Mom's at 11 o'clock. So this will tide me over till I get to Mom's. Tonight's pool night, guys. So anyway, yep. So this is how it is. She's got it ready for Halloween. So I'm going to ask her about, while her person's processing, I'm going to ask her about doing a dip acrylic over top of these. We had talked about it before, but since these nails are so, like, I bought the cheapy ones, and it starts scuffing up and stuff, so I think I might want to learn to figure out how to put the dip, the clear dip over it. So I'll see what she says. But anyway, yeah, so this is what I'm eating. Oh, and I made me a coffee. Dadgum Callie woke me up at 5 this morning. I was like, girl. So I let him out, and I tried to lay back down, but then she started licking me in the face. And I'm like, oh, she's so sweet. How can I not just get out of bed? So I got up and fed him, and then went into the living room and watched some TV. I watched a couple of y'all's videos, and then I went back and laid back down. So anyway, it's 10:30 now. So okay, bye. My bestie takes care of me. She's letting me practice this dip polish stuff on my press-on nails. They're definitely a mess, but she's letting me practice. She lets me use her stuff. She's so good to me. We fuss at each other a lot, but she's so good to me. Okay, I'm just kind of pilfering around on my nails. Okay, bye. It's been a hot mess, so I'm polishing my nails. I think I still had 5 more seconds. She's showing me about gel polish. I used to have gel polish. I haven't used it in so long. But anyway, so we're just going to go with this color. Oh, stupid thing. I'm going to have to do another coat because I'm still seeing the pattern coming through. But, you know, it is what it is. So, okay. But if it gets me through another week, I'll take it. Okay, I painted them, and then Angie fixed them. She did my cuticles, and look at that. I went ahead and painted them, but I'm experimenting on this hand. I'm just doing a base and a top coat of gel on this, but then I've got a base color and top on these. So anyway, all right, I gotta go. By the way, I think I ate most of the meat. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm at Mom's, and I made my usual salad, and then this is my ground beef and Rayo's my pasta sauce with some grated cheese and a little bit of that Maria's, whatever, that chili sweet sauce, Melinda's sweet chili sauce, or Thai. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's my lunch. There's my sister and my mama. They're discussing what they want to eat. Okay, so my sister's here, and what we're doing is she bought these wheels, and so we've been spray painting. We've got 2 coats on this side, so I'm going to let y'all see. I am doing I said I want to be involved in this. She does all the stuff, and, you know, oh, shoot a monkey, you know, so I don't know if we're going to have enough paint, but anyway, we're spray painting the whole thing, and then we're making sure we get the wheels. So, the wheel and that, like we're spray painting. I can't really get to the underside of the wheels, so what we're going to do, now I'll let this sit 10 minutes, and I'll come out, and what we did was we rotated the wheel, and so the parts that's underneath there, I'll spray paint next time. I can't really get to the bottom. So what we're going to do is after we finish these 2 layers, hang on. I'm just giving a After we finish these 2 layers, then I'll hold it up. I won't be able to show you all, but I'll hold it up and like kind of maybe spin the wheel and spray the underneath side. So that's going to be the wheels. Howdy. Well, this is going to be a short video for y'all. I am not having a creamy tonight. I know. That's 2 nights in a row. Where's the calendar? Today, Terri did not have a creamy. Yesterday. And today, well, Terri didn't. But I'm swapping it because I have these. And so, and I'll have to take the other bag to Mom's tomorrow. But anyway, so this is the pizza flavored Quest chips. And I'll tell you what else I'm having. I got pool tonight. I was debating on wearing jeans because I'll insert a picture of me and my sister right here. We were spray painting them wheels. And usually, no sir. Usually when I go to the pool, I try to look semi-decent, but I'm just out of semi-decent, so I have on these leggings. And my church shirt in his image. And they are getting what they get tonight. So I've got 1 chicken thigh, 3, I thought they were going to be over medium, but no, they're a little softer than hard fried eggs. A little bit of bacon and some cheese. I'm kind of digging this combination in different ways. I'm kind of enjoying this. Why am I so stinking hot? Good night. I was hot at Mom's house. I was hot at Angie's shop. It's that time of year where you're not cold and you're just hot. I don't know. Anyway, that. So those 2 things. This is the answer to why I'm so hot. It's coffee. Hot coffee. Durr. Yeah, so that's what I'm having. I'll try to get some video tonight if I can. We're going to be at a different place than I'm used to. JR, so we'll see how it works out. But I'll try to get what I can. Okay, bye. Y'all, this is tomorrow's Terri. We had a great time. I played 9-ball, and it was so close, but I won. And then I played 8-ball, but she won. And it was the same player. We played against each other for both matches. It was a really fun time. It was just a lot going on. What I recorded here is me practicing. And I was looking at this video. You guys, I look like a Christmas tree. I didn't realize my shirt looked so green. So I had on my church shirt and then some maroon looking pants. Y'all, I look like it's Christmas. I was cracking up when I was editing this video, but what do you do? You know, it's all right. But yeah, so it was fun. Had a really good time, really good games. I got there early, so what I decided I would do was record me practicing. This way I could kind of watch myself and then show you guys of me practicing. But when one of my team players, they showed up, my Tammy, she showed up, and so as I was kind of shooting around on this, I was like, "Girl, get in here. You can start playing." So you'll see here in a few minutes where I actually cut it over, do a lot of cutting because then it's she and I. This is a place that's called JR's. Since it's the next morning, I'm going to tell y'all, I came home. I always come home smelling, like a bar. And so usually I will put my hair up on my head and take a shower the next morning. Well, what I wanted to try last night was taking a shower when I got home and then seeing, if I can actually sleep a little longer in the morning. Well, the answer is no, because Miss Callie sitting over here beside me, he's wanting all kinds of pets right now. She had decided that it was time for us to get up this morning when my alarms went off. And I was hitting snooze because I'm like, I don't have to get up as early because I'm off of work today. Well, Callie decided that no, that was not how things were going to be. But yeah, so I tried taking a shower last night before I went to bed. I wanted to see if that kind of helps with the bar aroma. But anyway, we had a really fun game, had a really fun team. They were really cool. There was a lot of cheering each other on. And then a guy from another team, we saw each other when we played previously and now this time. And he actually gave me a couple cool items. One of them, you poke the tip of your stick and it will actually help the chalk stay on better. He said, I've got 2 of these, you can have it. I'm like, oh my gosh, are you sure? He's like, yeah. And he also gave me a thing that whenever we are at like a game, like when we're qualifying or to go to Las Vegas, you have to mark your your pocket for your 8 ball. And so he gave me a marker for that. It was actually during this practice session with she and I, so I totally had to do a whole lot of cutting. But anyway, so yeah, I was like, that is so nice of you. I'm telling you, people that play sports, whether like physical sports or pool or darts, people are so nice. They're just all about cheering each other on and helping each other out. And I think that's really cool. But yeah, so me and Tam, we did a lot of practicing. Tammy is her name. But we actually played, I think, 2 or 3 games. And then I think it was her turn. No, I got called up first to play. So, yep. So we had a really, really good time. But look, I'm wearing my church shirt. In his image. I said, I'm bringing Jesus to the bars, y'all. Bringing Jesus to the bars. Which is cool because actually, nope, I was wrong about that. It was a shadow on my thing. I thought that was the end. But it's coming up here in just about, I don't know. No, maybe a little more than a minute. But if I could play bar music or whatever, I would just be quiet and let you all watch. But, you know, I don't want to get that strike against me for playing bar music. But I have been really, really working on staying down. And when I remember, I've been trying to like warm, like 1, 2, 3. Like trying to remember to slow down and not just pop it and take off. I still do that because sometimes the people I'm playing against, they're like, oh, is it my turn? I'm like, oh, dang it. Yes, yeah, sorry. So I just pop up way too fast. All right, here now I talk about the rest of the night. Guys, I did not record my game. I recorded me doing a practice game, but I won my game. I had to play 9 ball and I won. It was like she was ahead by 6 and then I got a couple in. So then she was ahead by 4 and then she was ahead by 1 and then we both had to get 2. She had to get 2 and then I had to get 1 and I got it. It was a nail biter. I missed some really dumb shots, but that's all right. I won. Yay, Terri.